Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is a brief example of list comprehension in Python. And what we're going to do is, given this list of numbers, we are going to find only we're going to display only the even numbers. So let's do that. And I'm using the GitHub copilot, and you can see that it has already given me a suggestion, which I like. For x in numbers, if x modulus 2 equals 0, print result, Control S to save, Control F5 to to run it, and you can see the numbers are all even down here. So let's go ahead and we'll try it with a different set of numbers. Control S, Control F5 to run in Visual Studio Code, and you can see it returned 32, 22, and 10. So that's exactly what we want. This is list comprehension using the very helpful GitHub Copilot. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.